pure light energy purifies your thoughts and thinking. Guided Meditation Day 14. Every day, dozens of different thoughts arise in our minds. Where do they come from? Why do they arise in our minds? Why can each thought carry a certain emotion or experience? Why are we given thinking at all? The fact is that thinking distinguishes a person from an animal. Thinking is a treasure given to humanity by the universe. Thinking and our modern mind is the result of human evolution, which lasted thousands of years. Thinking reflects our essence, our views on life. Thinking produces a thought, which in turn can materialize in real life. If thoughts are positive, conscious, then life becomes more conscious, positive, happy. It is important for each of us to think positively. It is important to trust ourselves and the world around us. You may have heard the following expression: if you want to change your life, then change your mindset. Start thinking in a new way. And it is true. Your life today is the result of your thoughts. Thought shapes reality. In this 21-video educational course, we will practice meditations that will help you change your thinking and improve your life. Let's begin our meditation practice. Please sit comfortably. Place your hands on your knees, palms facing the sky. Start relaxing your whole body, from your toes to your knees, from your knees to your pelvis, from your pelvis to your stomach, from your stomach to your chest, from your chest to your throat, from your throat to your forehead, from your forehead to the crown of your head. Your body is relaxed. You are comfortable. Your attention is focused on yourself, on your body. Now take a deep breath in and out. Feel the energy, feel your whole body. You feel a rush of both heat and cold at the same time. Heat is the energy of the earth. Cold is the energy of space. Say out loud, I am here and now. I am here and now. I fill my head with the pure, light energy of the universe. I fill my head with the pure, light energy of the universe. My mind and head are clear. All thoughts are gone. I am in silence. My mind and head are clear. All thoughts are gone. I am in silence. I like it when I feel clear and light in my head. I like it when I feel clear and light in my head. My thinking changes and becomes harmonious, pure, positive. My thinking changes and becomes harmonious, pure, positive. Goodness and love fills my mind, my thoughts, my life. Goodness and love fill my mind, my thoughts, my life. I change my thinking. I consciously change my thinking. I change my thinking. I consciously change my thinking. The energy of the universe cleanses my thinking from negative thoughts about my life. The energy of the universe cleanses my thinking from negative thoughts about my life. The universe loves me and I love life. The universe loves me and I love life. My dear friend, thinking is an extremely important process in our lives. Every thought you have that result from your thinking process can be realized. It is very important to change your thinking in a positive direction. Repeat this meditation course, and in 21 days you will see changes in your life. Remember, our Lord and the universe around you loves you. Please continue your studies.